Hello folks, it's time for another Feature Friday tutorial. My name is Cris Laidlaw and this is the 21 Accord, and today I want to show you how you can personalize and customize your locks.
Hello folks, we are now inside the 21 Accord. So I'll just direct your gaze to the center console here and we can customize the door locks to how we want it. So we start with settings, there we go, and then we scroll down to vehicle. And then from there, we're gonna start with this one here, keyless access setup. So right here, we have door unlock mode. So I hit this button. So with this, with your hands-free unlocking of the doors, you can choose to whether just have the driver door unlock for you or to have all of the doors unlocked simultaneously as you use the keyless access system. So I'm gonna hit all doors just because. And there we go, simple as that. Now it is saved and it will remember what you chose. Okay, now to the other options and how it shows you that it's working. So we have a light flash and a beep. So I'll start with the light flash. Now this is a visual cue that you're gonna see on the headlights as well as the mirrors to indicate that the doors have indeed unlocked. So you can turn that on or off. I would just leave it on as standard. And that's for the light flash. And then for smart entry beep, it's gonna be the same thing. So I hit this button, hit on, hit save, and it will remember. All right, now let's talk doors and windows. So right here, I'm gonna scroll all the way down. It's gonna be near the bottom, door/window setup. I select that. Now the first one that shows up is auto door lock. So when the vehicle gets to about 15K, the doors are gonna lock. Or once I shift from park, it'll lock. All right, now we're gonna talk about the Kia remote unlock mode. So that's the next option. So right here, you can select which door unlocks when using the key or keyless access remote, basically your key fob. So when I lock the doors, it's gonna be all the doors. When I unlock the doors, it's gonna be all the doors. But say I'm a little sketched out, live in a bad place, driver door only. Let's do it that way. There you go. So in addition to that Kia remote unlock mode, we have keyless lock answer back. So these again are the cues that you see with the exterior lights. I have that turned on as well. And then right down here below is security relock timer. So what that means is say you unlock your doors by accident in your pocket. If the vehicle sits there idle for 60 or 30 seconds, then it will lock automatically to keep your vehicle secure. All right, so to wrap this up, we have two more options to go to. Auto door unlock and walk away lock. I'm going to start with auto door unlock. So when the driver door opens, all of the doors are going to unlock with this option selected. All doors when shifted to park, all doors with ignition off. So you can customize it to how you want it. Me personally, I like all the doors to be unlocked when I open my driver door. And then back here, this thing has saved my bacon many, many times. So walk away auto lock, I have that turned on. As long as I have the key fob on my person and I start walking away from the vehicle will automatically lock its doors. I don't know about you, but my memory is trash. So that is a very nice feature to have for me. Okay, folks, so that's been another Feature Friday tutorial on customizing your door locks to suit your needs in the 21 Accord. Please leave any suggestions you might have for further content, something you want to see, questions that you may have. We're always game to do these videos. So like, subscribe, share. My name is Cris Laidlaw. I work at McFadden Honda proudly, and you can always get in touch with me at 403-327-7250.